Good morning, everybody. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and it is 2 a.m. or just a little after 2 a.m. on Friday, May the 19th. It is our day. We are finally getting ready to travel to Seattle. So we got about an 81-mile drive. We're going to head up to the Austin airport, and we're going to catch our flight. And then in a couple days, we're getting on the Discovery Princess for Alaska. So let's go. Tiffany's got to do her magnet shopping. Alrighty, so it has been about what are we looking at here now? 12 hours? No, we went back 2 hours. It's been what, 14 hours since we got up. Went to the airport, got on the plane. Plane ride was smooth. No real issues on the plane ride. Only thing that sucked, and it's one of those incidentals, but we flew Delta and they have the entertainment system. You know, you can watch movies, all that kind of stuff. It did not work the entire flight.
No.
It's like I stepped on board the plane and the plane said, nope, cool, we're done. And it didn't work the entire flight. So it was pretty much staring out the window for about 4 hours.
Which is okay.
And trying to fall asleep.
Yeah.
It is what it is. But we made it to Seattle, no problem. We have already made it over to our hotel. Actually, we got here early because we landed at 8 o'clock this morning. So we were over here super early. Now, the hotel we're staying at is the CitizenM at Pioneer Square. They do bag storage. So even though we got here super early, we were able to at least check our bags in. They keep our bags, and then we go off and explore until actual hotel check-in time, which we finally achieved. We're actually in the room. So we walked around, we went over to Pikes Place Market. I'm sure you guys already put that kind of video here at the beginning. So that's what we've been doing so far today. But I wanted to show you guys this hotel because this is a little bit different. I'm not going to lie, this is a little bit different. We knew it was going to be a little bit different going into it, but we wanted to kind of check it out for ourselves, form our own opinion. And yeah, it's a little bit different. This is what I think cruising on Virgin Voyages must be like. Honestly. I mean, even the colors. We got some grays, some reds, some, you know what I mean? Some whites and blacks. It's what kind of reminds me of Virgin Voyages. And to be honest with you, this hotel room, I think it's smaller than a cruise cabin. It is smaller than a cruise cabin. But let's take a quick look around the room. You ready to show them the room?
Yeah.
All right, let's show them the room. All right, so we're going to start up here by the door. And, of course, you got Tiffany already sitting on the bed. And I said, it's not very big. Pretty much what you're seeing is about the whole entire room. But it does have this little, I guess, bar area right here. It's got your sink. It's got your mirror. Down in here, it does have a tiny little refrigerator drawer. And then you come around and it's got a little bench. And check this out. The bed is right up against the window. I mean, it's a king-size bed, but it is right up against the window, which means somebody is crawling over somebody at night. And Tiffany likes playing with this because you can make the blinds and the shades go up and down. So everything in this room is actually controlled by the iPad, and Tiffany's playing with the iPad right now. But you can control the lights, you can control the shades, the TV, your climate. Everything is all controlled from that iPad. Now, there is a TV over there on the wall, but Tiffany's playing with the shades. We got a little bit of view. We're up on the 8th floor, room 817. But you got some lamps over the bed. You got your phone. You also have regular controls for the day curtain, the night curtain. Control your brightness and your night lights. But this place is just quirky. Like, they give you a pad and a pen, and it says right here at the top, great fiction, works of art, or just rude poems, they all start here. It's the kind of stuff you see in this.
They gave you a pillow pet too.
And a pillow pet. That's weird. Now, right there under Tiffany's foot, right there, that is actually the room safe. It's underneath the bed in a drawer. And Tiffany will show that to us. So you got your room safe, and then the other drawer is just an empty storage drawer. So this room is not real big.
In case you don't want to use the iPad.
You found the remote. All right. Now, this is the bathroom and shower. It's not see-through, but it is not a solid wall either. You come in, and of course, you have your business end right here with some very large buttons to press. And then you have a wand shower or the option of a rain shower. They do have the CitizenM products in here if you want to use it, and your shower controls. Now, when you come in here, though, I guess you can change the mood of your shower. So Tiffany's out there with the iPad, and she can just start rotating. You can have your shower whatever color you want it to be. You want some red, you want some purple. You can make it whatever color you want, isn't it? That's pretty wild. All the way to no color. But yeah, you can just cycle on through some colors and pick whatever color you want to take a shower in that night. Look, she's over there having a lot of fun with that button. But that's all there is to this room. Oh, there is one small little space up here. You got a shelf, some hangers, and a place to put your suitcase. But other than that, I said I will come in here and do a quick room spin. You can see there is not a whole lot to this room. All right, as I said, that's a quick little room tour. It's not very big. I honestly say it's probably smaller than a cruise cabin.
It's a dorm.
Yeah, I'd say dorm room size, if even that. Crew cabin, maybe? It's not very big. It's unique. It's nice. Not really feeling the bed up against the corner like this, because Tiffany will sleep under the window, which means Tiffany will have to go to the bathroom multiple times every night at 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning. Luckily, we're only here the 2 nights.
Yes.
And I honestly think by the time we go to bed tonight, we're going to be so tired, it's not going to matter all that much.
No. But I will say, I feel sorry for the room
Stewards?
Yeah, I don't know what their proper names are anymore.
Room stewards. At
But-
least they're on ships, are room stewards.
Yeah, but having to make this bed with it up against the wall like that, she climbing all over the place. Or he.
So I'll show you guys a little bit more about the hotel once we venture back out again. I doubt we're done for the day. I highly doubt that. Tiffany will need at least another coffee. Seattle, this is what we've learned so far. I guess we'll share what we've learned so far. Seattle has a coffee place like on every single corner.
And it's not Starbucks.
No, but we saw like 40 of those.
Yes. And the original Starbucks with a line out the door a mile long.
Yeah, that line at that original Starbucks was forever long, so we definitely didn't stand in that. But yeah, there is a ton of coffee shops in Seattle.
Yes.
We have absolutely learned it. And I had no clue whatsoever. Seattle's got hills. I thought we were in San Francisco.
Mm-hmm.
It was perfectly fine until we got to downtown. Then all of a sudden he goes, makes that turn, and it was like, whoop, down we go.
Up we go.
Yeah, that was wild. I had no idea there was so many hills in Seattle.
Yeah.
All the research and stuff we do, never once. The roads aren't flat. Never came up.
No.
Interesting. So we're gonna get back out there, and we are gonna. I said I'll show you guys. Sorry, like I said I am tired, so my brain is not functioning 100% here. But we're gonna get back out here in a little bit. So we're gonna take a little rest, show you guys a little more of the hotel, because even the hotel hallways are unique, and the lobby is definitely unique. You can check in by kiosk, but they do take their security very serious. So you ought to feel safe here, if nothing else.
Yes.
You have to have a key to get in the front door after 10 o'clock. You have to have your key to make the elevator work, period. So they do take their security. Then, of course, you have to have your key to even get in your room. It's all electronic. So they are taking their business, you know.
And if you're not tech savvy, this might not be the...
Yeah, it's true. Yeah, if you're not interested in controlling your TV with an iPad and making your shower lights go different colors, this may not be the hotel for you, besides the fact that the bed's up against... If I was solo cruising, if it was just me on a solo cruise, this would be perfect. So, yes, for solo cruisers. A couple, probably not as much. But yeah, that's my opinion. You guys will have to decide that. But let's get back to our day.
Yes.
So here we go, still heading down. I did want to point out though, the people here are very nice about letting you cross the road. They stop, let you go across the crosswalk first. That's pretty amazing, actually.
They actually shoo us across because we're waiting on them to drive and they're waiting on us to walk.
Well, please understand, back home, you step in the crosswalk when you're not supposed to, they're going to speed up. Heck, half the time they'll speed up anyway. But you're liable to get hit. They're going to back up. They're going to shoot you the finger. And then, like Tiffany said, then they're going to sue you for debt in their car. So yeah, we don't step out in front of cars here. But they expect you to go first, and they're very polite about it. So, something different we've learned about Seattle as well. All right, so we found the gum wall, and it's exactly what you think it is. It is a wall full of gum. Honestly, yeah, there's gum on this side too. There's gum everywhere. I don't know, what do you think of the gum wall? I kind of go with ew, but yeah. But welcome to the gum wall of Seattle. Tiffany has found baked goods now. They definitely have a lot of baked goods here. And all of it looks really good. Big giant crinkle cookies. Show everybody the big giant cookies.
And snickerdoodles.
And snickerdoodle cookies. You know what? This is going to be the end for today. And yeah, I see it's still daylight outside. I understand. But back in Texas, because of that 2-hour time difference, it is 8:30 back home. We've been up since 2 a.m. It is going to just be an early night for us.
Yes.
Well, what else did you see? You saw a lot of stuff today.
I saw a lot of stuff. I really liked the marketplace. That was...
Well, everybody did recommend, said that was one of the places you should visit, was the Pikes Place Market.
Yes.
And you enjoyed that?
Yes, we went back the second time.
She made me.
And got to see them throw the fish. That was awesome. You see it in movies, you see it on TV. You don't think they actually do it. They actually do it.
That's right. So you got to see them throw fish.
Yeah. And the flowers, so many flowers.
Oh yeah, they were just like so vibrant in color.
Yes.
It was pretty impressive. But like I said, that is going to end day one because like I said, we have been up now a while. Just going. And so it is time to call it a day. Tomorrow is another Seattle day. We're exploring around, but tomorrow we're heading over to the
Pop culture.
There you go. See, my brain is tired. The Pop Culture Museum, the Space Needle, and check all that out in the area up over there. So, I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit subscribe. That way you can keep up with us on all of our Seattle and Alaska adventures. Hope everyone out there is having a really great day.
And like always, we'll see you on the high seas.
Good night, everybody.
Good night.